Hey guys, so I use a tractor today. Most of you guys know ct1025. I was using it removing snow, and that is the second time that I've seen that. So the first time I thought it was the thermostat housing that was loose. Tighten it, bolts were tight as heck. Everything was torqued as it should. Hose was fine. And then I used it today, and if you guys can see it, it's right there. So not really happy with what's going on. So I called Bobcat in. I either have to take it myself because they'll charge to come and pick it up, whatever. I mean, it's a brand new tractor, as you guys know, and now I'm having to put wrenching, some wrenching on this thing, and again, just not real happy with what's going on. Tractor has, I believe it has 82 hours. Let's see. Yep, so 82.2 hours, and this is going on. So not really happy. We'll see. I mean, we'll see when I give him a call and let him know. But again, just not satisfied. Thanks for watching.